Nau mai ki whakamiere. Nau mai ki whakamiere. Welcome to Whakamiere, our podcast where we share reo Māori translations of stories. Today's Paki Poto is Te Korou me ngā Kūkupa by Aesop. Before our kupu hou though, we're excited to announce our brand new reo Māori stickers. They're free and available to everyone, so hang around at the end of the episode to hear details about how to get yours. Today we have two kupu hou, waihapanga, which is a noun meaning a return. The verb is waihape. I waihape au ki te kāinga, I returned home. Our other kupu hou is karukaru, and it means shabby, tattered or scruffy. Kua karukaru o kākahu, your clothes are scruffy. Kia areare mai o taringa, listen out for them in the kōrero. Kia hānea nā tenoho, whakarongo mai e hoa mā. Te korou me ngā kūkupa, nā Aesop. Arā te korau I te kitenga atu I te painga o te kaitahi, me te hari o te nohotahi a etahi kūkupa I te kohinga kōhanga, ka kōingo ki te whaiwāhi atu. Nā reira I whakaritea o nā huruhuru kia tea ai, ka konihi atu I tētahi pō I te tōnga o te rā. I nā ngū ia, e kore ia e kitea. Engari he pākaha haere nōna, he hari hoki no tāna whaikainga hou, ka pukukata ia. Nā wai hoki ia I tōna reo. Ka kauairoa ngā kūkupa iaia, ka panaia ai ia. I tāna wai hapenga ki ngā korau, ka raru ia I te tai o ōna huruhuru, me te āhuatanga karukaru ōna. Ā I te rongotanga atu a ōna hoa o mua, I tāna I mahi ai, ka karawhiua ia e rātou. Ko te kiko o te kōrero, ka hinga te tangata I te whaenga rua. The Jackdaw and the Pigeons by Aesop. A jackdaw, seeing how well some pigeons in a certain dovecote fed, and how happily they lived together, wished much to join them. With this new view, he whitened his feathers and slipped in one evening just as it was getting dark. As long as he kept quiet, he escaped notice, but growing bolder by degrees and feeling very jolly in his new quarters, he burst into a hearty laugh. His voice betrayed him. The pigeons set upon him and drove him out. When he would, afterwards, have joined the jackdaws again, his discoloured feathers and his battered state drew attention to him, and his former mates, finding out what he had been at, would let him have no further part with them. The moral being, he who pursues two courses succeeds with neither. Tēnā rawa atu koe I whakarongo mai. Thank you so much for listening to Whakamiere. Our brand new stickers are available to anyone who supports us on Patreon. This includes free members as well, so it doesn't cost you a single cent to sign up. If you do sign up to one of the paid tiers, you get your choice of stickers. We have 3 amazing designs, each in 2 different sizes, and you can check them out on Patreon and Instagram. This offer is valid for all current and new members until the stickers are gone, so tell your friends and whānau. Join us next time for a new episode, and I'd like to mihi to our supporters on Patreon. It's thanks to them that we're able to keep the podcast ad-free. If you have friends and whānau who might like the kaupapa, please share it with them as well. Check out Patreon for all the kōrero about subscriptions and how to join our whānau whakamiere. And follow us on Instagram for more kōrero. Ko Taurapa e mihi nui ana, hei a koe nei e hoa mā.